everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to share an amazing natural remedy to get rid of those stubborn eye bags using coconut oil. Coconut oil is a fantastic natural moisturizer that can help reduce puffiness and hydrate the delicate skin under your eyes. Let me show you the steps to get rid of your eye bags. Step 1. Start with a clean face. Make sure to remove all makeup and impurities. Step 2. Take a small amount of virgin coconut oil, about a pea-sized amount, and warm it up by rubbing it between your fingertips. Step 3. Use your ring finger to gently pat the coconut oil onto the skin under your eyes, starting from the inner corners and moving outwards. Step 4. Continue massaging the coconut oil for a few minutes, allowing it to fully absorb into the skin. And there you have it. A simple and effective natural remedy to reduce eye bags using coconut oil. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you next time.